In today's video, I'll show you a simple way to free up space in your Zoho Mail by clearing out unwanted emails from your trash and spam folders. Let's get started. First, let's check the trash folder. This is where all deleted emails are stored, and over time it can get full, taking up valuable space. Open your trash folder from the sidebar, then click Empty Trash. This will permanently delete all emails in the folder, giving you more storage and a cleaner inbox. Next, head to the spam folder. Spam messages can pile up fast and also take up space. Open your spam folder, then click Empty Spam to remove all unwanted messages. This helps keep your mailbox organized and running smoothly. By regularly clearing your trash and spam folders, you not only free up storage, but also improve the performance of your email. Less clutter means faster loading and a more manageable inbox. And that's it. Follow these steps regularly to keep your Zoho Mail tidy, efficient, and easy to navigate. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.